Hello, happy Saturday. It is a very snowy day and officially like my first weekend of Christmas break. I'm gonna work like a little bit next week, but I'm pretty much off for the end of the year, so I figured I would do a little Christmas vlog. I have not been able to vlog since October. So right now I'm just getting ready to leave the house. It's like super snowy outside. I'm looking at the window and it's so pretty. But tonight we have a gift exchange with some of my good friends and I have all their gifts ready. But I was just thinking I want to get something small they both have babies like under 2. So I really want to find a toy camera for each of them. I feel like that would be appropriate. I also got my standing desk in the mail today. It just came. There's like 2 parts of the package and they both came today. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna hopefully build that. But my drill, I like drowned the battery because I left it outside a couple of months ago and I have not bought a new battery. I haven't like needed to use it, but I definitely need one right now.
And Toodle is just gonna sleep here all day looking at the snow.
Look at how beautiful it is out there. Okay, this is the look. I have a to-do list for next week and I have to get my passport. I've been like putting it off for years and years. I think it's been 3 years that I've been putting it off. So anyway, so I saw the passport makeup on TikTok and I tried to do it. I feel like it looks a little bit like it looks a little bit crazy in person, but on like a flash camera, it's gonna look hopefully good. So we'll see how that goes. I was just practicing in the mirror and I have to remember not to raise my eyebrows because when I go like, I look a little bit wild. But if I'm just like this, then I think it'll be perfect. Okay, note to self, Amelie, you're a photographer, so just take your own passport photo and then go and get it printed. It was one of those things where I like felt awkward, like wanting to retake it. They did not use flash, they just used like a little point and shoot camera and like automatic. So it was okay. This is the photo. So it's not the worst, but I feel like I could have taken a better picture of myself within the parameters and just printed it. So it's not worth it to like go redo it. But I did find these little toy cameras. They're like a little toy Polaroid. So I bought them just in case I couldn't find anything else. But look. Oh my gosh. So it's a little mirror. You can see me there. And then on the back, it's a little dog. Why is that so cute? I am in Blaine's Farm and Fleet of all places. And these are rattles, but look, they're a little latte. Turns out they have like baby versions of everything. A Dyson vacuum. I'm really tempted by this espresso machine, but it's red, so it's like, doesn't really match the baby kitchen they have. But oh my gosh. I have to call someone to get this. Hello?
There right now.
Okay, thank you. What are the odds I find the cutest little lattes at Blaine's Farm and Fleet? Literally, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see it out of the packaging because it's literally like a cute little speckled mug with the like mint green. I am getting Joa and Salem matching gifts, but how can you not? You have to, you know? And then I got my batteries. Doesn't this feel so dramatic? I just wanted like 1 or 2 batteries, but this one was on sale for like half off for 4, and I was like, I guess that's what I'm getting. It was cheaper to buy 4 huge batteries than like 2. I feel like it's been a long time since I've like needed help with something like in a store where you have to like wait for someone in customer service. And at Walgreens, I waited for like 10 minutes for the person to do passport photo. Then when I was in Blaine's, I had to find obviously someone to unlock the battery, and I was just like, this is a longer trip than I anticipated, but I got to interact with human beings today and that's always good. Okay, my drill is lost. I found one, but this is like a handheld one. In what world do I put the drill in the coffee table? Oh my gosh. You see how it's rusted? Oh no.
Come. Let's go. Let's go.
Why are these so hard to open? Like anything that is packaged like heavy duty like this. If this is not charged. Thumbnail. Nothing in this and it's rusted. Don't call me out. Okay, I'm just gonna film a little before and after of my desk setup. So I actually recently moved this. I had this on the wall here and I moved it here because I was gonna get like a standing desk, like one of the tabletop ones. This desk setup, I like made this tabletop, I just like screwed a few pieces of wood together. And it's kind of like thin, but the tabletop desks are like kind of wide or they're flimsy. So I ended up deciding to return that and then just get like a whole desk. But yeah, I really like the way that it looks and like how big it is. But I do work from home a lot, so I just think the standing desk is gonna be better for my overall health. The first thing I should do is open up the tabletop and make sure I like it, because it would be the worst if I built the bottom and then I was like, I don't like the top. I did that with my flooring when we redid my house. I got the flooring from this flooring liquidator and ordered it. It sat there for like a few weeks because we were like not ready to put in the floors yet. I went there, loaded up the truck, brought it all the way home, and then I pulled it out to see the color and I didn't like it. And I was like, so we had to bring it back. Oh my gosh, what a nightmare. So I learned my lesson. I'm gonna open this tabletop first. This desk is by Flexispot. And I ended up buying like a more expensive model because I saw some reviews that the other model was like a little flimsy or wobbly. But look at the color. It's so similar to my other desk, but like finished. Praise God, a finished tabletop. All right, I think we're gonna build a desk. Okay, it comes with an installation guide. This is a lot of steps, but I mean, it looks pretty straightforward. Like, I definitely need the instructions, but I feel like it's not going to be that bad. It is not going as easily as I would think. So the next step literally says, fix the tabletop to the base. So I'm like, okay, well, we'll see what that means. Okay. Toodle. That's not screwed in. You're gonna fall. I just screwed this in 2 screws and then I realized this seam is in the front. So the reviews did say that there were not screw holes like in the right places, and that is true. But what I'm just doing is choosing one to like screw one into so I know it's even and like straight. And then I'm just drilling little pilot holes in the rest of them with a drill. So if you don't have a drill, that would be really annoying. I could understand in the reviews, but since I have a drill, it's no big deal. So I'm gonna flip this and screw it together. Are you such a good little assistant? All right, this is the moment of truth. I put this little thing in. We're gonna see if it works. I plugged it in. That's so good! I'm so excited! That's beautiful! This is a straight up standing desk. Wow, this is already so nice. Wow. So the camera is sitting on the desk and I actually really like it. It is like a little bit shaky at the top, but honestly, I think it's not that bad. Now I just need a walking pad and I will be a fitness work from home queen. Okay, I'm gonna try to sit down. You see it? Kind of love. I'm gonna stop talking and switch it out and see how I feel, see how it looks. So all my settings are set. So I made a sitting one and a standing one and it looks amazing. I love it. I'm so happy. I can't wait to actually like stand while I'm working. I'm off the next couple of weeks, but I'll probably edit. Well, I know I will edit, but I'll probably edit at the desk standing and try it out. So that's it. This is the 55-inch. I cannot imagine working on any less than this, especially with 2 monitors, which I always work on 2 monitors. So I love this length. The one that I built for myself was 60 inches, so it's like a little bit shorter, but I have this, and then I just have my IKEA Alex drawers right there, so I'm just gonna leave it beside it, and then maybe I'll put something on there, but it'll still have like some desk space. I will give an update maybe in my next vlog after I've been using it for a few weeks and let you know if I have any issues or if it's worth it. But right now I'm really excited and I feel like it's worth it, but I want to see how it wears. So this is some more footage of me using the standing desk. I've actually really liked it. I've only been using it for a few days, but I think it's gonna be really useful when I'm working a couple days a week at home. And Toodle really likes it. She keeps jumping up there and she likes how high it is. Thank you so much for watching. I think I'm gonna release another vlog before Christmas because I have this week off, so I'm doing some shopping and hanging out. So stay tuned.